Rajivji, my question is, there's a lot of convergence happening in India right now, in the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, my native home village. So now there are people who acknowledge that their forefathers were converted into Christianity, but still they say because of the oppression from the ruling class or the Brahminical or the other caste for that matter, the Dalits, they got converted. And how to rehabilitate them and bring them to the main society, because they are neither there nor
No,
here.
but see, art of living has no caste discrimination, right? Ramakrishna Mission doesn't. Chinmaya Mission doesn't. I name you the top 20 or 50 or whatever modern dharmic organizations that are popularizing, that are spreading. None of them have caste discrimination. So I think that is also an overused excuse. Maybe it is in certain pockets and maybe it is in certain strata, and that is where we have to go and fix that problem. But the conversion is going on at all strata. The conversion is going on in very elite strata where there is no discrimination. Those guys are very rich people who are converting. A lot of people I know that. They're converting. So it is only one segment of conversion is poor people based on oppression that we should acknowledge and we should correct. But there's many other kinds of conversion also going on. And conversion is not only to Christianity. There is a very soft conversion to Islam called Sufism. It's a fashionable thing to go and say, Sufi, and put some pan in your mouth and Sufis. Exoticize this aestheticization of the Sufi is a very popular thing in Delhi.
And how to
Bollywood movies doing a lot of soft Islamization of
how to check it, how to check it and stop it.
No, you can't use state machinery. You got to wake up and have your scholars. Scholars is spawned. You got to have your own gurus become wiser and smarter, and they should stop saying things like all religions are the same. They have to become less politically correct and teach people the reality, become more audacious. So it has to be. It is a battlefield of ideas. Conversion is a conversion of mind. It is not physically anybody doing it. Conversion means your mind has switched from what it was to something else. Somebody has given you a different narrative and changed your mind. So if you want to fight the battle of conversion, it's a battle of ideas. It's a battle of arguments. So you got to have people who are better at that. In any game, if you're losing, you just have to have better players. We have not invested enough in really seriously understanding doing Purv Paksh on the conversion process and coming up with good Uttar Paksh. We have not done a good enough job, in my opinion.